All right, guys, I just wanted to go through a full breakdown of the cryptocurrency. All right, guys, I just wanted to go through a full breakdown of the crypto evolution we have seen from 2013 to 2022. I just used the CoinMarketCap history archive or whatever it's called, and I took some screenshots of a few different top 10s, kind of a snapshot of history, and we're going to start all the way back in 2013 and take a look at the evolution of crypto. I probably got like about 20 different screenshots of top 10, in terms of market cap and things like that. So we're going all the way back to May 5th, and man, do we all wish we were here. BTC trading just under $116. The only other coin, unless you're kind of older in the space, you would recognize is Litecoin. I'm sure other people have heard Namecoin, Peercoin. Pretty much everything named with the last four letters are coin. Everything ends in coin. Feathercoin. So it is, funny to see all these other ones. But in terms of the top 10, with this first screenshot, you can see Bitcoin's the only one with, its market cap is so much greater than number 2. Its market cap at this point, $1.2 billion. Litecoin all the way down at $62 million. So basically at this point, cryptocurrency is just Bitcoin. And yet at this point, you could buy, 10 Bitcoins for like $1,100. We all wish we were there. Moving to August 4th of 2013, so this is a few months later, BTC actually down $10, so you could get it for even cheaper. Litecoin still sitting at number 2 at around $3. XRP comes onto the market, which at the time was Ripple, and I kind of don't like that this archive has it as XRP because, again, the name of it at the time was Ripple, the symbol was XRP. All the other coins at this point are pretty much dead other than those first 3. Moving on to February 2nd, 2014. Wintertime, and Bitcoin is moving up all the way up to $825. Litecoin crosses the $20 mark. Ripple or XRP sitting at around 2 cents at that point. And you can see Dogecoin enters the fray at number 7 in market cap. It is trading for 1/10 of a cent. Later in the year, it's the dog days of August 24th, 2014. Bitcoin falls down over $300, trading at just over $500. You can see Litecoin BitShares at number 3, Ripple at number 4, and you can see Dash makes its first appearance at that point. MadeSafeCoin at number 10 as well in that update. Moving to February 1st, 2015, back into the winter, Bitcoin down again, down $226 at that point. XRP at number 2 over Litecoin, Paycoin inside the top 5, and how about Stellar making its debut, sitting at number 6, trading at around 4/10 of a cent. Of course, Stellar, its all-time high right now, I believe, is 80 cents overall. So certainly, it would have been a profitable investment. Honestly, guys, at this point, I'm not even sure where people are storing their cryptocurrency, especially something like Stellar or Dogecoin. Back in 2015, you're probably taking a pretty significant risk wherever you store most of it, but obviously it would be well worth it. Moving to October 4th, 2015, later in the year, as we enter the holiday season, Bitcoin sitting at $238, Ripple XRP sitting at half a cent, Litecoin right at $3, and guess who comes into the fray? Ethereum, ETH, trading at 66 cents and number 4 in market cap. I think this is the only time we will see Ethereum behind both Ripple and Litecoin in terms of market cap. Dogecoin still remains inside the top 10. It's worth nothing. It's completely devalued. I think that's 1/100th of a cent if I have that correctly. Imagine buying, that would be, if you bought $10,000 worth of Doge at that price and then sold at like 60 cents or even higher. I know its all-time high is like 73 cents. I mean, that's, I'm guessing around 5 to 10 million, something like that. Stellar sitting at number 9 as well, trading for 0.2 of a cent. Moving to May 1st, 2016, so that next year, entering really the early summer in 2016. Bitcoin really stagnant still, sitting just under $500. Ethereum shoots all the way up to number 2, trading at just under $9. Ripple XRP at number 3, Litecoin at number 4. NEM enters the fray at number 8, trading for 0.1 of a cent. Dash also really making a name for itself inside the top 5, establishing itself as a legitimate cryptocurrency, trading just under $7. We move to the new year of 2017, and this was really the first year that cryptocurrency launched itself into the mainstream. January 1st, 2017, this is how everything looks. Bitcoin stands on the gate of $1,000. Ethereum still yet to really gain its footing as the clear number 2 crypto. Oh, I guess you know what, at that point, you look at the market cap, it is clearly number 2, but it's still trading. Guys, it's crazy. I remember I was so close. You don't even know. I remember looking at both the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin price on Coinbase, because they used to have those 3 in terms of the graphs, in August of 2017. I remember doing that, but this is literally that same year. Now, it is January 1st, but ETH was under $10. You get 10 of them. Well, I mean, you can get a lot more than that. Also interesting, Ethereum Classic at number 6. So really, ETH, doing a good job. 2 inside the top 6. Dash at number 7. You can see some new coins entering the fray as we enter 2017. Moving to August 6, 2017, as we close out the summer and gear up for our first major mainstream bull run. BTC is already primed and ready, sitting at $3,200. It's passed several historic marks at this point. Ethereum up over $250. XRP making a name for itself, sitting at 18 cents. And Bitcoin Cash enters the fray, sitting at number 4. You've got 2 Bitcoins, you've got 2 Ethereums inside the top 7 at this point. Litecoin also having a really good year, sitting at $45. Dash really impressing, $189 at this point. There are several things that are about to go crazy during this bull run. December 17th, 2017. The heart of Bitcoin's first true social media bull run. It explodes to $19,000. And there's a few different reports of where Bitcoin actually went in terms of its original all-time high in late 2017. I believe its actual documented all-time high was $19,500. That was the consensus all-time high according to markets. I do know several lower-known markets reported 20K, but the general consensus was it was 19K. And I do remember this time because I did own 30 Litecoins at the time. And there was a whole story about the Litecoins that I owned and me exchanging them. I actually sent my Litecoins off an exchange in the morning before I went to school, and then I got in a car accident. I wrecked my car, and I had to come back home and see if it actually went through. I mean, I was exchanging 30 Litecoins. They were probably worth, by the time I was doing it, they were probably worth like 170 per coin. If you guys don't know, Litecoin just went crazy in late 2017. It went from like 150 to 300. Look at this, it's at 318. This is probably near its all-time high in terms of 2017. And guys, how about Cardano ADA, 51 cents? It really puts it into perspective, right? We're looking at this in 2017. And right now, going into 2023, Bitcoin is actually down over $2,000 from where it was at this point. Now, Ethereum is actually up, so that's interesting to look at, but this is before Ethereum and all the other alts really started pumping. But Cardano is also down basically half its value. So this is really interesting to look at. Litecoin is obviously down significantly. And how about Bitcoin Gold? Sitting at number 11, really its only time to shine. At this point, it is completely dead. Bitcoin Gold. Moving to January 14th, 2018. This is the heart of alt season in terms of the late 2017-2018 bull run. BTC retraces back to under 14K. Ethereum booms, trading for over $1,300. Ripple up at $1.86. That's its new all-time high. Bitcoin Cash really being one of the mainstream 4 big coins you can buy on Coinbase, and all the noobs and newbies started buying it, trading at 20. Boy, I feel bad if somebody out there bought 1 BCH for $2,500. Oh no. How about Cardano at 80 cents? I don't remember Cardano being that high. I really don't. You know what? Maybe I do remember. Cardano has been a mainstay. Litecoin still holding its value, $238. Stellar at 63 cents as well in that update. Moving on to April 1st, 2018, coming out of the winter, and Bitcoin is tanking under $7,000. Ethereum getting crushed under $400. Ripple bleeding to death. It falls under 50 cents. Bitcoin Cash down nearly $2,000 in the span of 3 months. Litecoin down over $200. Cardano worth almost nothing at this point. Crazy drop by pretty much everything from the winter of 2018 into the spring of 2018. It was pretty catastrophic at that point. Moving to November 25th, 2018. Thanksgiving 2018. Bitcoin sitting just over $4,000. Ripple moves ahead of Ethereum at number 2 in terms of overall market cap, which is just crazy to see. Trading at 37 cents. Ethereum down just over $100. Bitcoin Cash holding strong at number 4 at this point. Stellar solidly at number 5. And how about Tether making its debut, the stablecoin, sitting, funny enough, right on brand, not at $1, sitting at 98 cents, of course. And there's Cardano at 3 cents. And this is just something that I saw moving in this same update. BNB makes its debut inside the top 20, trading at $5.18. It's remarkable, isn't it? It really is. Moving to March 31st, 2019, Bitcoin stagnant at $4,000. Ethereum sitting at $140. XRP still in third. EOS takes over at 4, trading at just over $4. Binance Coin, BNB, enters the top 10 at number 7, trading, really having a very strong year, up to $17 at this point, really gaining traction in the crypto space. And you have Cardano rounding it out, trading at just right under 7 cents. Moving to October 27th, 2019, trick or treat just on the doorstep of Halloween, and Bitcoin is on the doorstep of passing 10,000, sitting at $9,500. Ethereum right under 200, trading at $184. XRP sitting at number 3. Bitcoin Cash back up to $261. There is Tether at number 5. Litecoin hanging at number 6. BNB. And how about Bitcoin SV making its debut at number 9, trading for $140. Moving to February 2nd, 2020, we stand on the doorstep of an earth-shattering, unforeseen pandemic. Bitcoin trades just under $10,000. Ethereum sits at $188. XRP sitting at 25 cents. Guys, there was a lot of optimism at this point that we were expecting a pretty significant bull run sometime within 2020. And obviously, we just got completely wrecked. How about Bitcoin at number 1, Bitcoin Cash at number 4, Bitcoin SV at number 5. There's Binance Coin still holding strong at $18. March 22nd, 2020, the United States announces a total economic shutdown. Bitcoin plummets under $6,000. Ethereum under $125. Everything is falling and dropping like a Everything is falling and dropping like a rock. Binance Coin sitting at $11. I believe the lowest that Bitcoin went during this period. This was a horrible period. The economy shut down literally for a month in America, if you don't know. The lowest Bitcoin went, I know it was under 4K. I'm trying to remember if it was 3,200 or 3,900. It was somewhere around there. I think it was 3,200. It was really, really bad, really low. And it is crazy to look back on this time because in retrospect, you would think like there's no better time in history than to invest, whether it's the stock market, whether it's cryptocurrency, when the economy is shut down, because inevitably it's going to open back up, which will obviously help everything. But you don't think like that when you're in the actual times. You just think everything is dark, everything is going to zero. It's so crazy. But then when you look back on it, it's like, no, this is when we all should have been buying stuff and we could have dumped everything during the 2021 bull market. It is crazy. But yeah, everything dropped like a rock. Moving to May 31st, 2020, as we enter the summer months, Bitcoin recovers nicely, once again close to crossing the $10,000 mark. Ethereum sitting at $230, really lagging behind at this point. Ripple XRP at 20 cents. And then you can see Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. I do not, maybe I didn't follow the market strongly at this point, but I do not remember Bitcoin Cash being that high for this long. BNB sitting at, boy, BNB was really on the table for a while for people to make significant money off of it, for sure. Moving to November 8th, 2020, entering the holiday season in 2020, and Bitcoin is booming back up to 15,000. Ethereum sitting $453. It's up double from a couple months ago. XRP still sitting around 25 cents. Boy, Ripple doesn't, well, I shouldn't call it that. XRP really doesn't do much in a lot of these updates. Bitcoin Cash still at number 5, still at around 270. Chainlink makes its debut inside the top 10 at number 6, trading for just under $13. Polkadot comes in, yes, dot, trading for around $4, and Cardano re-enters the top 10 at around 10.5 cents. Moving to December 20th of 2020, right before Christmas, we've got Bitcoin pumping, reaching $23,000, crossing that elusive all-time high of right below, 20,000. We wanted to see it crush that big 20K threshold. It finally does it. Ethereum well up over $600. XRP performing well, up over 50 cents. Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Cardano, Binance Coin up over $30. Polkadot up over $5 at this point. Moving to that next winter, February 28th, 2021. It's Valentine's Day. Actually, guys, I don't know if it was Valentine's Day, but Bitcoin is booming all the way up to $45,000 as we truly enter Bitcoin's second main super bull run. Ethereum breaks the $1,000 threshold. It's all the way pumped up almost to $1,500. Cardano overtakes several coins and is now the number 3 cryptocurrency in the world according to market cap. Polkadot at number 6, Binance Coin booming, over $200 at number 5. Everyone's using it, everyone's exchanging. XRP falling all the way down to number 7, actually losing some of its value down to 41 cents. Litecoin maintains a spot inside the top 10. Chainlink at number 9, pumping all the way to $24, and Stellar at number 10. Moving to May 2nd, 2021, we see the absolute mecca rise of Dogecoin coming in at number 6, trading after Elon Musk tweets about it at around 37.5 cents. On this date, we've got Bitcoin sitting at over $56,000. Ethereum on the doorstep of $3,000. BNB well over $600. XRP at $1.50. Uniswap makes its debut with everyone using it. The traffic is crazy at $42. Bitcoin Cash sitting just under $1,000, trying to make a comeback right there. leaving the bull market. It's August 8th, 2021. Everything is dropping except for Ethereum. Bitcoin sitting at 43K, still maintaining, trying to stabilize. There's a lot of coping that's going on right now. We're expecting maybe another wave, maybe another push up to 100K. We've got Ethereum sitting at 3K, performing extremely well right now. Binance is really falling off at $342. Cardano at number 5. Dogecoin still holding strong. We know it made its massive run to around 77 cents. It's back down at 24, which is still crazy for a meme coin. USD. Guys, there's too many stable tokens clogging up the top 10. USD coin sitting at number 8, Polkadot, and Uniswap rounding out the top 10. Moving to December 12th, 2021. Little over a year ago. BTC trading at 50K. Okay, here we go. We got another all-time high coming. Ethereum, $4,000. BNB right under 600. And guess who makes an appearance? Solana. $173. Slingshots inside of the top 5 out of nowhere. Cardano sitting at number 6. It's been a mainstay. XRP down a little bit to number 8. And how about Terra Luna? Classic. It wasn't classic yet. It was not classic yet. It's just Terra at this point. It's trading at just under... Imagine being someone that bought some Terra Luna for $62. Oh, no. No. Moving to February 20th, 2022. The first major war of the 21st century. Russia invades the Ukraine. Bitcoin falls below $40,000. Ethereum drops like a rock under $3,000. BNB, they changed their name from Binance Coin. The rebrand goes through. They're at $380. XRP stands under 80 cents. Cardano drops below $1. Solana, after its crazy rise over $200, is back down to under 100. Avalanche makes its debut inside the top 10 at around $77. June 26, 2022, it's midsummer, and Bitcoin is tanking down to $21,000. It's the summer-fall of 2022. Ethereum clinging. It actually fell below 1,000, but at this point, it's clinging right above $1,000. BNB sitting $233. It's been a stagnant coin. XRP is completely linear at this point, sitting at 35 cents. Cardano at 48 cents. Solana still maintaining a spot inside the top 10 at number 9. And then Dogecoin at this point totally linear as well. Been trading for 7 cents for a few months. Moving to November 20th, 2022, which is a month ago, you can see it's very similar to what it is right now. You've got Bitcoin at 16K. You've got Ethereum trading for roughly the same. You have BNB at number 5. XRP sitting at 7. Cardano ADA at 8. There's just too many stable coins, man. You got to get... They're just clogging up the top 10. Can we get those out? How about Polygon making its debut inside the top 10? Polygon, we want to see it go lower, but that is definitely a coin I'm interested in for sure. And then the most recent historical snapshot, December 18th, 2022, which was this past weekend, virtually the exact same thing. Bitcoin sitting right under 17K, Ethereum over 1,000. You've got BNB at number 5, XRP at number 7, Dogecoin still at 7 cents, Cardano trending under 30 cents, and Polygon at 81 cents. So that is where we stand today. It's been a wild ride. It'll be interesting to see what happens in terms of cryptocurrency as a whole. But guys, that's going to do it for this video. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Link to that's always in the description.